Hello everyone, Namaskara. Myself Dr. Nishchita, an Ayurvedic practitioner and clinic head at Madhavbaug Clinic. Today I will answer all your queries related to a topic that touches our kitchen and health every day. That is cooking oils. According to Ayurveda, the oils we use have an important role in our well-being. But with so many options in the market and their numerous health claims, it's easy to get overwhelmed. So let's embark into this enlightening session together in understanding the essence of oils, their benefits, and how they align with the ancient wisdom of Ayurveda. Ready? Let's dive in. Why is it vital to have healthy fats in our daily diet? Ayurveda emphasizes the importance of fats as Sneha Saro Ayam Purushaha Pranascha Sneha Bhuishtaha. That is, all our cells and tissues are made and supported by fats. They provide energy, vitality, and aid in repairing damages in our body.
Welcome to Vedaanta Nandi Retreat, a villa project that seamlessly blends modern comforts with the serenity of Nandi Hills, providing a peaceful sanctuary for your retirement. The project boasts a wide range of top-tier services and amenities, including kitchen and dining services, 24/7 healthcare, recreational activities, concierge services, housekeeping, security services, indoor gym room, indoor sports room, library and home theatre, salon and spa, guest accommodation facilities, and prayer and meditation room. It's conveniently located just 40 minutes away from the Bangalore International Airport, 30 minutes from Manipal Hospital, and a mere 15 minutes from Prestige Golfshire. Comfort and reconnect with like-minded individuals who share your interests. Retire in peace, rejuvenate in serenity, and rediscover life at Vedaanta Nandi Retreat.
What are the best sources of fat according to Ayurveda? According to Ayurveda, the finest source of fat from animal is the cow ghee, whereas in the plant origin is the sesame oil. What are the consequences of not consuming healthy fats? Deficiency in healthy fats can lead to various health issues like dry skin, brittle hair and nail, sleeplessness, fatigue, joint pain, altered immune system, cardiovascular problems, hormonal imbalance, menstrual issues in women, cholesterol problems, and even memory loss. Why should we be cautious about certain vegetable cooking oils? Today, many of the vegetable cooking oil are chemically treated and refined. They lack essential nutrients and cause various health issues, including cancer. Which traditional oils are considered beneficial for cooking? Traditional fats like the sesame oil, groundnut oil, safflower oil, sunflower oil, mustard oil, coconut oil, and cow's ghee are best for cooking. What is the importance of sesame oil? According to Ayurveda, sesame is of high regard because it can be used by everyone of all age groups. It nourishes our skin and hair, it strengthens our bone, it regulates the cholesterol levels and our weight, it prevents constipation. What is the benefit of mustard oil and how to use it? Mustard oil is generally heat in nature, hence gives warmth to the body and helps in alleviating pain. However, mustard oil should be used cautiously. Because of its excess heat nature, it can aggravate pitta, that is the fire element in our body. Hence, it is better avoided in summer season and can be used very well in winters. There's a debate about groundnut oil leading to increase in cholesterol. What's your take? See, groundnut oil itself doesn't increase the cholesterol levels. It is in fact a good source of calcium and healthy fats. It is our overall lifestyle choices like lack of exercise and improper diet that increases the cholesterol levels. How can coconut oil fit into our diet? Coconut oil is cherished in many Indian kitchens. Including this in your diet is highly beneficial for your skin and hair. It is better used during summers as it doesn't add to your body's heat.
Now I'll show you around the Vedaanta Vrindavanam. You can live very happily here. Say 50 years the ladies are cooking and they also need retirement, no? You can have a peaceful life. That is what I am enjoying. I want you also to enjoy. No pollution. You can live your retirement life very aram se.
Olive oil is quite popular nowadays. What is your opinion about it? Olive oil, though not native, it is definitely a good source of fat. However, it doesn't blend well with our Indian recipes, but it is an excellent dressing on salads. Well, we can use all oils throughout the year, but for better benefits, we can seasonally adopt the use of these oils. For instance, using coconut oil in summers helps us combat the excess heat of the environment. Using sesame oil during rainy season helps us alleviate the dryness and pain that aggravates during this season. Using mustard oil during winters helps in giving warmth and combating the cold temperatures of the environment. Also, we can use these oils as per the flavors of the recipes we are preparing at home. This way, we get a healthy mix of all nutrients from these oils throughout the year. Any final advice on oil consumption? Yes, definitely moderation of oil consumption is the key. Limit deep fried foods and overall oil consumption. For a family of 4, it is ideal to use about 2 liters of oil per month. Always ensure to use filtered and cold pressed oils. To conclude, it is essential to remember that the choices we make in our kitchen has a profound impact on our health. Therefore, focusing on the kind of cooking oils we use is highly important. Before we end this video, let me share another interesting fact about sesame oil. Sesame oil in Sanskrit is called as Tilataila. Tilataila had a revered place not only in our kitchens but also in our sacred rituals because of its purifying properties. I hope today's session was informative and I will see you soon with another topic related to health and wellness. Until then, take care of yourself, stay healthy.